Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are taking a good care of yourself. You have to do so, okay? And at the same time, I hope you are practicing whatever we are doing in our classes and completing your copy notes also. Okay? So kindly complete your copy notes and keep practicing. Okay, students? Because more and more practice will make your maths easy. Okay. Now open your maths book for today's class. In today's class, we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 7, multiplication. Our previous chapter was chapter 6. What was the name of the chapter? It was subtraction with borrowing. I hope you all have completed your book notes and copy notes. If not so, then do it fast. Now it comes chapter 7. Okay, today we are going to start the new chapter, that is multiplication. Open page number 58. Kindly pay attention. I am going to read. Some of the multiplication facts are also there. This you have to always keep it in mind. Multiplication is the repeated addition of a number. It is shown by the sign. This is the sign of multiplication, a cross sign. Okay. This is the sign of multiplication, a cross sign. Okay. So what is given there? Multiplication is the repeated addition of a number. As you can see in the example also, here see plus the same number is repeating again with this addition sign. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 8. As you can see, the same number is repeating with the addition sign. Okay. And here you can see, and how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many 2's are there? 4 2's are there. And which number is repeating again and again? That is 2. So 4 into 2 equal to 8. This is the sign of multiplication. Okay. We call it multiply or into also. And here you see one more example is given there. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Which number is repeating again and again with addition sign? That is 3. And how many times it is repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times is repeated. Which number? 3. So 5 into 3 equal to 15. When you will add this all the numbers, you will get the answer 15. Here also when you will add this all 4 2's, you will get the answer 8. Okay, that means multiplication is the repeated addition of a number. It is shown by the sign multiply. The result of multiplication is called the product. When you are multiplying two numbers and the answer which you get is called the product. In 5 into 3 equal to 15. Here see example is also given there. 5 into 3. This is the sign of multiplication. 5 multiply 3 equal to 15. So 15 is the product of 5 and 3. That means 15 is the answer of 5 and 3. We say 5 and 3 are factors of 15. So this you have to keep it in mind. Okay, students? Now here comes the multiplication facts. Here are the some multiplication facts. This also you have to always keep it in mind. The product of numbers in any order is the same. Okay, as you can see here. Here in 3 rows are there. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. And in each row, how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. In 3 rows and in each row, 4 balls are here. Here you can see how many rows are there? 4 rows are there. And in each row, how many balls are there? 3 balls are there. Now when you will multiply 3 into 4 equal to 12 or 4 into 3 equal to 12. That means the product of numbers in any order is the same. Here 3 rows were there and in each row 4 balls were there. And in second, here 4 rows are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in each row 3 balls were there. Okay. Now next is number into 0 equal to 0, 0 into number equal to 0. Whenever you are multiplying 0 with any number or any number with 0, the answer is always 0. And number into number multiply 1, same number, 1 into number equal to same number. Whenever you are multiplying any number with 1 or 1 with any number, the answer is always the same number. As you can see in the example, 3 into 1 equal to 3 and 1 into 3 equal to 3. That means whenever you are multiplying 1 with any number or any number with 1, the answer is always the same number. Okay, students, kindly read this page and go through the examples given here. Okay, now let us move. Now for this multiplication, you have to learn the tables. Okay, so students, from today onwards, start learning the tables. Because for multiplication, tables are very important and very necessary to solve the multiplication. Now here you can see, fill in to show that multiplication is repeated addition. As I told, multiplication is the repeated addition. That means any number is repeated again and again with addition sign is the called multiplication. As you can see here, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Now first when you will add this 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. Now how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many 2's are there? 4. And which number is repeated? 2. So 4 into 2, 8. When you will learn the table and you will see 4 multiplied 2 is 8. Now 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equal to 30. When you will add this all 6, you will get the answer 30. Now when you will see it in multiplication form, how many 6 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many 6 are there? 5. And which number is repeated? 6. So 5 multiply 6 equal to 30. 8 plus 8 plus 8, 24. How many? When you will add this all 8s, 8 plus 8 plus 8, you will get answer 24. Now in multiplication form, how many 8s are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 8s are there. And which number is repeated? 8. So when you will see the table of 3 and you will come to know 3 multiply 8 equal to 24. So in this way you have to do this exercise. Here fill in the blanks, multiply, and this all you can solve only when you know the tables. So students, start learning the tables, because learning the tables, when you know the tables, your multiplication will be quick and easy. Now 4 into 5, 5 into 4, 8 into 1 equal to 8. As I told, when you will multiply 1 with any number or any number with 1, you will get the answer same. 6 multiply 0, 0. Whenever you are multiplying 0 with any number or any number with 0, the answer is always 0. Okay. Now here multiply. Here you have to go through the tables. 2 8s are 16, 8 2s are 16, 6 5s are 30. Here also you should know the tables. Students, for exercise 7a, you have to learn the tables. Now here comes the multiplication, multiplying 2-digit numbers by 1-digit number. Okay. Now let's move to exercise 7b. Now here we are going to see the multiplication of 2-digit number with 1-digit number. 7b. As you can see, let us start with the first one. 12. This is the sign of multiplication, and 4. Now what you have to do? Here how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. That means how many place values? 2 place values. 1s and 10s. And here only 1 digit is there. That means only 1's place value, that is 1. Now you have to multiply this 4 with 1's place, that is 2. Then with 10's place, that is 1. One by one you have to multiply this 4 with both the numbers. Okay, so let's start. 4 multiply 2. When you will come to know the table of 4, you will see 4 multiply 2 is 8. Now 4 multiply 1 is 4. So this is your answer. Okay. 13 multiply 3. First 3 with 1's place 3, then 3 with 10's place 1. So 3 3's are 9, 3 1's are 3. Okay. 14 into 2. 2 4's are 8, 2 1's are 2. So in this way you have to do. F 20 into 3. Now here 20 into 3. So 3, first we will multiply 3 with 0, then 3 with 2. Now when you are multiplying 3 with 0, as we have studied in multiplication facts, that whenever you are multiplying any number with 0 or 0 with any number, the answer is always 0. So 3 multiply 0, 0, 3 2s. Now 3 with 2, 3 into 2, 6. So this is your answer. Okay. Next is 14 into 6. Now 6 with first with 4, then 6, then with 1. Okay, first we will multiply 6 with 4, then 6 with 1. Now 6 fours. For this you have to know, you should know the table of 6. When you will come to know 6 into 4, 6 into 4 is 24. Now here you are getting answer in 2 digit. So same as we used to do in addition, right side number we will write below the ones place and the left side number will be taken as carryover on the side number. Now 6 ones are 6. Now you have to add the number which you have taken carryover. So 6 ones are 6 plus 2, 7, 8. So this is your answer. 15 into 3. First you have to multiply 3 with 5, then 3 with 1. So let's do 3, 5. Now for this you have to recite the table of 3 and till get the answer 3 multiply 5 you have to recite the table of 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. Again we are getting the answer in 2 digit number. So same 5 will be written here and 1 will be taken as carryover on the side number. Now 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4. So this is your answer. Okay. In this way you have to do. Now question number 3. 64 into 2. Now again first we will multiply 2 with 4 then 2 with 6. Now 2 fours are it's 8. 2 6 are when you will recite the table of 2 and you will see 2 multiply 6 is 12. Now here also we are getting the answer in 2 digit number. As no number is there to take carryover, so we will take 12 as the answer. So the answer is 128. 58 into 2. Now same here also. 2 8s are. You have to recite the table of 2 and find out 2 multiply 8. It's 16. Now take 1 as the carryover. 2 5s are 10. Add this carryover also plus 1 11. So this is your answer. Okay. 62 into 6. Okay. Now 6 first we will multiply 6 with 2 that is in ones place. Then 6 multiply 6 that is on tens place. So 6 multiply 2 here you have to recite the table of 6. So 6 multiply 2 that is 12. Again the answer is in 2 digit number. So 2 here and 1 carry over on the side number. Now 6 multiply 6 that is 36. Now 36 plus 1 that is 37. So this is your answer. Okay. Let us do one more. Let us take C. 35 multiply 3. Now 3 multiply 5. Here you have to recite the table of 3. So 3 multiply 5 that is 15. 1 here, 5 here and 1 carryover. Now 3 multiply 3 9 plus the 1 number which we have taken as carryover. So 9 plus 1 10. So this is the answer. Okay. H 75 multiply 2. 2 5s are 10, 0 here, 1 carryover. 2 7s are, here you have to recite the table of 2. So 2 7s are 14 and plus 1 15. So this is the answer. Now in question number 4, it's given there, do these sums in your notebook. Now here this you have to do in your notebook. Students, how you will do? First you have to arrange them. First is 14 into 4. So write 14. Now start as I told, always start from ones place. So when you will start from ones place, so 1 is just below the ones place. No other number is there, only 1 digit is there. Now put the multiplication sign. Now here you have to recite the table of 4 and get answer 4 multiply 4 that is 16. So 6 here and 1 carryover. 4 ones are 4 plus 1 5. So this is your answer. Okay. B 15 multiply 6. Again 15, 6 in ones place. Okay. No number is there to arrange. So now put the multiplication sign. Now here you have to recite the table of 6. So 6 fives are, when you will recite the table of 6, and you will come to know that 6 multiply 5 is 30. So 0 here and 3 carry over. Now 6 multiply 1, 6 ones are 6. Now you have to add 3, which we have taken as carry over. So 6, 7, 8, 9. So here is the answer. Okay. D. 18 multiply 5. Now 18 multiply 5. Now here you have to recite the table of 5, and when you will recite the table of 5, and you will see 5 multiply 8. 5 multiply 8 is 40. Again you are getting answer in 2-digit numbers. So 0 here and 4 will be taken as carry over on the side number. Now 5 ones are 5. Add this 4 also. 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is your answer. Okay. So in this way you have to do these sums in your notebook. Now this is exercise 7C. Okay. Word problem. Okay students. 63, page number 63. Kindly pay attention. I am going to read. A chessboard has 8 rows of 8 squares each. How many squares does it have in all? Now here also what you have to do, you have to properly arrange them in statement and then you have to solve. Okay. So let us start the first one. Now how many? A chessboard has 8 rows and 8 squares. So first we will find out number of rows. That is 8. Then number of columns, that is again 8. Now how many squares does it have in all? So number, short form of number of squares in all. For this what we will do, 8 multiply 8. When you will recite the table of 8 and you will say 8 multiply 8, the product is 64. So this is your answer. So in this way you have to arrange properly it in statement. Now question number 2. A toy needs 3 batteries. How many batteries are needed for 6 of these toys? Okay, now we have to find out how many batteries we need for 6 toys. Okay, so first we will write down number of batteries. Okay, first we will note down number of batteries, that is 3. Then number of toys, that is 6. Now number of batteries needed. So what we will do, 6 multiply 3. When you will recite the table of 6, you will see 6 multiply 3, the product is 18. So this is your answer. So how many batteries we need? 18 batteries are needed for 6 toys. Now number 3. Teams from 9 schools took part in a quiz contest. Each team had 4 members. How many children took part in the contest? Now here we have to find out how many children took part in the contest. Okay. For that first we will find out number of schools. Okay. So number of schools, that is 9. Okay. How many schools took part in the quiz? 9. And number of members in each team, that is 4. Okay, now what we have to find out? We have to find out how many children took part in the contest. For that what we will do, 9 multiply 4 equal to 36. So answer is 36. That means 36 children took part in contest. Okay. So students, in this way you have to make the statement and find out the answer. Okay. One more is there. Question number 4. A CD box holds 12 CDs. How many CDs will 8 such boxes will have? Okay. So let's do that. Let's turn the page. So first we will write down number of CDs. Okay, number of CDs that is in one box, that is 12. Okay, and number of boxes, that is 8. Students, NO, as I told you before earlier also, that NO is the short form of number. Okay, now number of CDs in 8 boxes. For that, what we will do? 12 multiply 8. Okay, now 12 multiply 8. Only one digit is there, so that we will write below ones place. Now 8 twos are. When you will recite the table of 8, so 8 multiply 2, the product is 16. So 6 here and 1 carry over. 8 multiply 1, 8 plus 1, 9. So your answer is 96. So how many CDs in 8 boxes? 96 CDs in 8 boxes. Okay. So in this way you have to practice the remaining word problems also with proper statement. Now this is, see students, exercise 7D. Okay, it's also so very simple. Don't be panicked that this many exercises. It's so simple. Simple multiplication is there. Okay, more and more if you will do, it will be more fast and easy for you. Here first one is, now here multiplication of 3-digit number. Sorry, it's 2. Okay. Same thing also here also you have to do. First you will multiply with ones place, then tens place, then 100 place. As 3 place values are there. Okay. Now 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Here is the answer. First you will multiply this 2 with 3, then 2 with 1, then 2 with 2. Means first with ones place, then with tens place, then with hundreds place. Okay. So 2 threes are 6, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Students, for this you have to learn the tables. Without learning the tables and knowing the tables, multiplication would be difficult for you. Okay. Now here comes question number 2. 218 multiply 2. Same thing, first we will multiply 2 with 8, then with 1, then with 2. So 2 8s are 8, 16, 6 here, again 1 carry over, 2 ones are 2, plus 1 this carry over, 3, and 2 twos are 4. So this is the answer. Let's take some other number. Let's take E. 307 multiply 4. Okay. Now 4, first we will multiply 4 with 7, then with 0, then with 3. Okay, so let's start. 4 with 7. When you will multiply or you will recite the table of 4, 4 multiply 7, that is 4 multiply 7, you will get the product answer 28. Now here no number is there to take carry over, has 0 is there, so we will take this 28 as answer. Now 4 with 3, that is 12. So this is your answer. Okay. Let's do F. 218 multiply 4. Again same, first we will multiply 4 with 8, then 4 with 1, then 4 with 2. So 4 8s are, when you will multiply 4 into 8, the product is 32. So 2 here and 3 carry over. 4 ones are 4, add this 3 also, 5, 6, 7. 4 twos are 8. So this is your answer. Okay. G. 195 multiply 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 here. 2 carry over. 5 9s are 45. Add this 2. 46, 47. 7 here. 4 carry over. 5 ones are 5 plus 4. 6, 7, 8, 9. So here is the answer. Okay. Question number 3. 102 into 9. Same, first here you have to recite the table of 9 and find out 9 twos are 18, 8 here, 1 carry over, 9 multiply 1 9 plus 1 10, 0 here, again 1 carry over, 9 multiply 1, 9 plus 1, 10. So this is your 9 ones are 9 plus 1, 10. So this is your answer. 9 twos are 18, 8 here, 1 carry over. 9 ones are 9 plus 1, 10, 0 here and 1 carry over. Again 9 plus 1, 9 multiply 1, 9, 1 carry over, 10. Okay. Next is, let's do 590. Let's take some other number, okay. 204 multiply 5. Again 5 fours are 20. So as it is 0, so we will take 20 as answer. 5 twos are 10. So this is your answer. Okay. 345 multiply 3. Now first we will multiply 3 with 5, then 3 with 4, then 3 with 3. So 3 5s are 15, 5 here, 1 carry over. 3 4s are 12, plus 1 13, 3 here, 1 carry over. 3 3s are 9, plus 1 10. So this is your answer. So students, in this way you have to do the multiplication. So start learning the tables. If you know the tables, your multiplication will be more easy and more fast. Okay. So till exercise 7D, copy notes or book notes I will provide you. Kindly complete it. That's all for today's class. Thank you.